Hello viewers, in this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox, so let's get start the video. First tap on More option. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. See here, the voice chat option is not showing. Don't worry, I will show you how you can get the voice chat option back. After returning, go to the Play Store and upgrade the Roblox apps. Now tap on Play. Tap on More option. Scroll down. Tap on Help and Safety. Tap on Help. Now search voice chat. Tap on voice chat. Scroll down. Now tap on Need More Help? Contact. Now fill up this file quickly. Now enter your username. Now enter your email address. Now enter Confirm Email. Now enter your device type. Now select Help category, type Technical Support. Now type your problem here. Hello Roblox support team. My Roblox account is not showing the voice chat option. Please enable the voice chat option in my account. Now click on Continue and wait 24 hours and they will give you the voice chat option in your account. Thank you.